Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick reference video today. The question we're going to be answering is, does the new Skyline OS system have a zoom function built in? The short answer is yes, and we will get into the long answer right now. All right, so I got my screen set to touring, and I got rid of the widget on the far right so we could see the most of the GPS screen that we could see. So to zoom out, you know, this default view is actually a couple of zooms out. So if you want to use one finger, double tap, you can zoom in even more on that one, which you may not need to do that. But to zoom out, two fingers, double tap. Now you see I hit recenter, I move the map. And if you do that, you're going to have to hit recenter and start all over because it takes you right back to the default view. So if you just hit double tap, and if you can double tap it without moving the map, it'll continue to follow your arrow, and it'll stay that way as long as you leave it that way until you zoom it back in by double tapping with one finger. So if you get it zoomed out and you're on the road and you want to get it back quickly, just move the map and hit recenter and it'll take you back to the default view. Well, that's all there is to it. Pretty simple. I know a lot of you guys are down in Daytona this weekend for Biketoberfest, and I wish I could be there as well, but I can't. So I am wearing my Teddy Morris's Harley-Davidson shirt today in honor of everybody down there having a good time. Y'all be safe down there, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.